Friends, I have important news to share with all of you this evening. There are 4 Social Security changes that President Biden and top lawmakers have proposed in Congress. Economists say that these changes could strengthen Social Security. Many beneficiaries can expect to receive a huge benefit boost in just a few weeks. So friends, do make sure that you watch until the end of this video, because I will be sharing with you the latest Social Security news. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. During the months of October, November, and December, I will also be giving away $200 gift cards to several of you that have been in this community for many months. It's a way to say thank you so very, very much. Now, friends, Social Security recipients will receive an 8.7% increase in 2023. That is the largest cost of living adjustment in more than 40 years. The increase will mean about $146 more a month on average for most retirees. But it will be a few more weeks before beneficiaries see the change in their checks. The COLA increase goes into effect with December 2022 benefits, which will appear in checks that are sent out in January 2023. Social Security payments are made on a rolling basis determined by birthdays. That means the first checks with the increase amount will come on January 11th, January 18th, and January 25th. COLA increases are determined by the Consumer Price Index, showing the year-over-year change in prices for goods and services for the months of July, August, and September. The 2023 jump is the largest one-time increase since 1981, when benefits rose 11.2%. And it's a large boost from the 5.9% increase that took effect this year. Social Security recipients will see a hefty Social Security increase of 8.7%. That is the largest cost of living adjustment since the 1980s. The first group to see the $146 bump in monthly benefits will be SSI recipients, who will receive their COLA in December of this year. According to CNAT, this is because SSI recipients always receive their checks on the first of each month. The first of the month in January 2023 falls on a holiday and a weekend, so the checks are sent out on the nearest business day. A Social Security cost of living adjustment is an annual change that the government makes to the program each year to help the value of your checks keep up with inflation. It is based on the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers for the third quarter of each year. The CPIW is what the government bases COLAs on and is calculated by looking at the prices of a basket of goods that a typical urban wage worker might buy. And this does not provide the best measure of senior spending habits. Many have argued that the Social Security COLA should be calculated based on the Consumer Price Index for the elderly, which many consider a better reflection of the average senior spending. So dear friends, what do you think that COLA should be based off of? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Freeport, Kansas. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Freeport, Kansas, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Since 90% of the Social Security program's revenue comes from the 12.4% payroll tax on earned income, money will continue to be collected as long as Americans keep working. The bad news is that existing payout levels will not be sustainable for much longer unless lawmakers on Capitol Hill do something to strengthen Social Security. The trustees' report estimates that the Old Age and Survivors Trust Fund, which is responsible for retired worker and survivors' benefits, which will completely exhaust its reserves by the year 2034. This year, all earned income up to $147,000 is subject to the 12.4% payroll tax. However, earned income above the maximum taxable earnings cap is exempt from the payroll tax. President Biden wants to close the bulk of this loophole by making all earned income above $400,000 once again subject to the payroll tax. A donut hole would be created between the maximum taxable earnings cap and $400,000, where earned income would remain exempt. But thanks to annual cost of living adjustments and wage growth, this donut hole would shrink over time. One of the biggest challenges that retirees deal with is growing expenses as they age. Medical care and transportation costs are two examples of expenditures that can increase as Americans reach their late 70s, 80s, and beyond. President Biden has proposed increasing the primary insurance amount by 1% annually from ages 78 through 82. An 82-year-old Social Security beneficiary would see an aggregate 5% bump to their PIA, which could be used to offset higher expenses. President Biden's fix involves adjusting the special minimum benefit to a rate of 125% of the federal poverty level. Social Security already pulls more than 16 million aged beneficiaries out of poverty each year. With Biden's proposal, this figure would assuredly tick higher. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with these proposals or not? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my greatest and awesome friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so very, very much, friends, for joining me here every day when I post a new video. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Friends, I'll be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video tomorrow. So please make sure that you enter the keywords in the comment section below, and also do stay tuned for the video. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.
In relieving student debt, we're also resuming student loan repayments that you're going to have to start to pay because we had this long period where no one had to pay because of the pandemic. So come January, folks whose debt isn't fully canceled, you're going to have to start paying the student loans off. That means billions of dollars a year are going to start coming back into the Treasury as well. My administration's plan is economically responsible and an economically responsible course to ensure a smooth transition to repayment and prevent unnecessary defaults. And it's also focused on going after fraudsters who call borrowers to pretend they're the government and want to help you with your loans. If you get a call, hang up. Not a joke. Let's be clear. Pay no attention to them because you never have to pay for help with your federal student loans. Don't listen to anyone who calls. I told you just go online. It's 4 questions. And if you get any questions, please report to the following website, reportfraud.ftc.gov. Report fraud. My message to the fraudsters looking to cheat the American people is don't do